Yo guys, welcome back to my episode number 2 of Free Fire. Today one more match of rank push. Let's do it. Yes, I got a top up of 520 diamonds. I will show you what I have got till now with those. See, this is my character, new character.
Jota.
I have so much characters now. I have Jota, this character. Next thing, I have also got, let me show you. See, I have Elite Pass and Alvaro. I don't have Panda. I have taken these two.
Included vouchers.
Next of all, I have one permanent. Nice. This
Banner.
avatar also I have.
Avatar. You know Doraemon?
And
Oh,
I
yeah.
have the parachute skin. The legendary skin.
Legendary.
Chup na. I have some other skin. This is my permanent skin.
Bot skin.
This is also my permanent skin.
CJ15. I have got in Elite Pass.
By getting with Elite Pass. And yeah, also my friend is sitting next to me. My dumb friend.
Yes, he does not go to school.
I have so much. I have unlocked this all. But
No.
when my
nothing.
this will go upgrade, then only I can get that.
No.
So let's start one solo match of rank push. Let's do it. And I have bounty tokens.
आज हम लोग उतरने वाले हैं पीक में. पीक में उतरना. हाँ?
Let's start it.
पीक मध्ये उतरना.
कुठे उतरू?
क्लॉक टावर चल मान. मग युट्यूबर क्लॉक टावरलाच उतरतात. चुप. लपून ना ठेवत.
पक्का.
हाँ बघ. उतरणार क्लॉक टावर उतरणार.
Today we will go to clock tower. So be cool and enjoy.
This channel dumb
Headshot.
हाँ.
I am
A
like
legend.
55 almost. This is one pro player. Asura, please, chup, Asura, please. This is a pro player. Oh, I want that. Open. अरे नहीं. Sold out. अरे यार.
Guys, subscribe and like this channel. Details बघ कोणाला काय काय भेटलं.
From that we can get diamonds too.
सगळ्यांना माहिती ते. आधी PS वर व्हिडिओ बनवला सांगू का त्यांना.
बघेल नको नको काय थांब मी बघ.
तू PS वर कधी दाखवलं सांग.
So we are going rank push in Bermuda. Bounty token first and let's go to mill.
क्लॉक टावर उतरणार आहे मोठा. काय नाही मला माहिती क्लॉक टावर गाडी पकडणार डायरेक्ट तिथे जाणार ना. माफ कर क्लॉक टावर.
We are going to hangar, I think so, because I can't reach over there. So let's go. And yeah, use mask when you are going out. Use sanitizer to wash your hands when you are outside, because there is coronavirus in Italy, India, everywhere. So I am just telling you to use it. Let's go and loot some damn things. Shotgun ammo, scar. We got a nice scar, boy. Let's go over there. I didn't have a microphone because of I don't have it. My English is too much bad, so ignore it.
Don't laugh. ते जरा पोराचं इंग्लिश. You know how the poor guy is. मग सोडून द्या.
Please don't listen him. He's a dumb. He's dumb.
डिसलाईकच करतो का बघ.
He's
No.
a dumb boy.
You know he is Bhagat Singh.
Don't listen to him. He's dumb.
He is dumb.
He's telling to himself only.
निकल
So don't
पकोडे.
listen to him.
निकल पकोडे.
हे चुप यार प्लीज असं नको करू. यूट्यूबवर व्हिडिओ टाक.
हो गाइस सामने बंदा है.
So guys, don't listen to him. Ignore him. He's a dumb ass.
So guys, welcome back. No back to right. कसं उडवतोय.
मी काय बोलला नाही.
डम कोण बोलते का.
Katana. We got a nice katana over here. My friend is too much mischieving right now. So don't listen to him.
Oh no.
I got a nice plasma. Shall I take plasma?
Yes, you take. Sky को छोड़ो प्लाज्मा लो.
Plasma?
हाँ, you take. The Scar is bot gun. बंदा पीछे आदित बंदा.
The pro guys only take the MP40. So you want to take it or not? You only decide. So guys, let's go down because there is no loot over here. I get damaged.
काय नाही डॅमेज झाला.
I didn't have a backpack still yet. So let's find the backpack.
मेकॅनिकल
चुप ना.
नाव काय ठेवलं मेकॅनिकल
काय नाही ठेवलं.
चुप दाखव.
So we have Kar 98 over here, my favorite gun. Last time I got a nice headshot on
with this
that
one.
guy, that dumb guy who were standing. So let's find a backpack inside here. Okay. Okay, we will play one more. This guy was not a pro.
Hey pro,
Then also
you're a bot.
little bit. Bye.
Welcome back to my new video.
I got only +3. I am on platinum 1. So as you can know. So guys, let's see what to do now. I am changing my skin or the character.
Takliya. My this character name is Alviro.
This character name is Avilo.
Alviro.
As
Let's go
he
play.
told you, he's a dumb.
He's a dumbo.
आता बाहेर निघ.
चल बाय.
This game is not
ये आली,
starting
ये आली, मांजर
because
आली.
I don't know why.
ये मांजर आली आहे.
There is
बघ मांजर आली, आवाज येतोय.
cloud.
तू खेळतोस माझ्यावर का दुसरा खेळू मी? हा इमॅच झालं.
Guys, let's start the match and let's see, are we on the board or not?
No,
No, we are not.
you will not
This
come in the
dumb
racket.
guy is there. Whoever it is. Bala. Bala, Bala. Bala, Bala, Bala.
Tomorrow,
You know that Houseful 4 movie in India?
tomorrow
Released.
he will take the magic cube to 3 from the diamond royal.
For you guys, I will spend more diamonds or I will do some more top-ups.
Who will subscribe this channel? Alok
Who
will
will
give, Alok
subscribe
giveaway.
this channel?
Alok giveaway. Alok देणार तू त्यांना.
Okay, as my friend was telling you, we will give you a look giveaway for you all. So you please subscribe the channel, like and
Share.
press that notification bell and see you guys in the match. Now we are going down here.
पागल.
Plantation. Dumb. I am doing some dumb things because there are so many people over here in plantation.
बघ वरती.
Sorry for that message come on the top of it because I can't do a nice video over here. I am doing a screen video. So guys, sorry about that.
We have got M60.
I have so many things in my inventory right now. I don't think so. I got a level 3 backpack and a VSS. Let's go over here.
किती वाजले? किती वाजले आधी? आधी किती वाजले? मी जाऊ का? किती वाजले? किती वाजले बघ ना.
Let's check over here. No, we have checked here. Sorry. Let's go over here.
आधी किती वाजले? किती वाजले बघ. बघ तरी.
We got one landmine. And yeah, one more guys thing. That whenever you place a landmine, never go into that because it is so much dangerous. And yes, don't jump like this. I also take some damage. मी व्हिडिओ काढतोय. So guys, we are over here. Some bots are up there, over there, fighting each other.
हाँ. You are what?
Yes, I am also a bot, you think, but I am not. I got one more VSS. Let's see. One grenade.
नेड.
Grenade.
नेड बोलतात.
I am telling it grenade.
Actually that. ओ हे ना मठ्ठ.
Let's over that side.
तुला माहिती आहे स्मिता टीचर का बोलायची तुला?
One guy is here, I think so. गाडी.
ठीक आहे. हा ला 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 ला.
बंद असणार.
बघ हातात गन घेऊन फिर. ह्याच्या मागे लपला असेल दगडाच्या बघ. जम्प करत जायचं असं कधी कधी माहिती का बंद असतो तेव्हा.
My friend is telling whenever see you
Enemy.
a guy or a dumb noob in this game, jump. I got my favorite gun over here. I think that guy is over there. So let's go over there.
लोग काय करतो एअर
Sorry, I have also a cough. My friend is also wearing mask in the house. Sorry. So you shall also take care about that coronavirus.
मागच्या तुझे हात फ्रॅक्चर झाले ना
Someone is going.
अरे पागल बाईकची स्किन आहे हैकर बोल हैकर है
He's a hacker. I think so.
बंदा चेपणार आता MP40 ठेव जंप करत राहा पागल बाईकची स्किन आहे ही हॅज अ बाईक स्किन अरे स्कार घ्यायची असते अशा टायमाला MP40 असे अरे शॉर्ट रेंजवर आहे ती
Chandra.
बोललो
It was a hacker. Definitely a hacker.
हॅकर नव्हता
AWM. He was having a AWM. He was
hacker.
definitely a hacker.
ए काय पण बोलू नको खेळता येत ना तुला
English बोलला. Because he was having the bike skin. He's a hacker.
बाईक स्किन सगळ्यांना असते सगळ्यांकडे मॅजिक क्यूब मध्ये नसते बाईक स्किन
This is a pro guy, I think so. Then see his backpack also. He's a pro guy.
इलाइट पास अनलॉक आहे बघ
Yes.
हे बघ इलाइट पास इमोट
He was the Elite Pass
He was-
emote. He's a pro.
हे बघ लाईट बाईक स्किन
Yes. He's a pro. So like this guy. Let's do one more rank push match. I am recording till 17 minutes.
Bye-bye.
Let's do one more. My friend is going. I am going to record one more match at 9:55. I thought wait now. So let's go and do it.
बघ ना
8 वाजले. So my friend is staying now till night.
इज द फ्री
He's a dumb guy. I am on level 22
शी बॉट
now.
I am on level 77 Adit show my ID
Yes, I am sitting with my friend now. He's also playing this game. We are going to play this game with him at 9:55. But let me show his ID now.
he's a I am a total
Atharva.
bot
Oh, my brothers are playing this game. See, my Omkar brother is playing. My Adesh brother is playing. हा खरंच खेळतोय बघ. ओंकार पण खेळतोय, आदेश पण खेळतोय.
वरती कर माझा अकाउंट दाखव
See, this is Atharva's both the accounts. This is a better account one. Sandesh Davkar.
दुडवाडकर
Durwadkar. Who is it?
wait guys
Sorry about that, guys, but there was one urgent call, so I want to give to my mom. And this is sorry for that, guys, but this is my friend. He's also a pro on Diamond 1. He has so many booyahs. Today only, let's play one more match. I am going to change my character. Again to this. Let's play one more rank match. Let's go. Guys, you can see this dot. I am doing like this. This is my recording. Now it is on 20 minutes on 21 seconds. You can see at the corner it is still sticking out, so I can got it like this. So we are in the match. Let's see who is on the board. This guy. Is he here? Yes, he is. See over there. Guys, my friend is gone because he also want to charge his phone to play on over 9:55. I will record one more video and upload this video today only. Let's go to Peak. Let's go to Peak, not Pochinok. Almost on the Peak side. This is also called Peak only. Oh no. Oh shit, yaar. This was not a pro guy. Then also he was having the NT40. So I am going to like him and add him. So bye. Let's do one more match. This was a bad one. I got minus 31. So let's do one more. This is a long video, like almost half an hour video. But in my opinion, this is also a 1 hour video. I will not edit this, but I can edit next of the other. Let's give this dog some food. Let's start. New emote has came for my dog. I was going to take this dog, but I don't have that much now diamonds. There are so many pets. Panda is also a legendary pet. This is also a nice pet. This is a robo. A ball. And now just dancing. Skins are there. My friend is coming with me, I think so. Hello? Hello. 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 I think I can. Hello. Hello. रैंक रैंक करो रैंक 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 Sorry for that, guys. I am going to play a solo. Let's play some training. As you can see, there is so much stuff, but there is some custom and training. I am going for training, so let's go solo. You can choose any gun over there and you can fight with it. See, I am over here, social zone. So go in here, confirm, and now you will go to over here, target practice. You can choose any gun over here. See, silencer. It is all free. So I am going to take AWM. No, I am going to take this CG15. I have skin of it, you can see as, and one machine gun. The best gun is MP40, but I am going to take a shotgun. So the fast reload shotgun is this. As you can see, you can take this thing also, decoy grenade. So let's go. We are at the combat zone. You can fight here with other team play. This is an intense match. This is not a match, just for training. There are so many pro players over here. So I have one kill, and this guy killed me with an MP40. This guy will be killed. No, he killed me with same shotgun that I have. Let's go back. Kill 2 kills, and which guy killed me, he also got killed. Let's go. One guy killed me from behind with arm. Shit, This guy is killing all the people. Two kills. He killed with me so let's do one more. He again killed me with the Yes, the AWM we say is That guy is killing me again and again. Kill. I got one more kill. That guy I killed. I am also a pro, but some other guys are nearby. Headshot. Both sides they killed me. Let's go. He killed me with and same shotgun again. She also killed me again. She's a pro player, I think so. Shit, one more kill of this AWM guy. Someone just sniped me. I don't know where he was sniping with me. Let's do one more mech kit. Someone killed me behind this AWM guy. She killed me with AWM. No. One more guy was camping over here, so he killed me. This is intense going on. He's a hacker. I think so. He's a hacker. This is so much intense. This guy only killed me last time, and this guy too. This guy again killed me, so I am going to kill him right over here. Someone sniped me. Someone will kill me in the air. Let's review. He killed me because I was low. He's killing with. If you want to change the gun, he's killing me. Let's go and change the gun. You can see from here where they are shooting. See, this is the ground where we spawn, and this is the main start. Someone has let's take MP40 and let's go to the target practice and target some that is a long range, I think so. So it is not a long range game gun. I am going to take AWM for this. The other guys were also taking AWM. I have one mode that I can switch guns faster. He killed me with shotgun. One more time when I spawned, he killed me. The other guy killed me. Shit. This girl is now just killing me. This guy is AFK, I think so. That was an intense thing that he just. This girl war killed me. One more kill. She killed me with, I think so, AWM. This is to reload your ammo. Some guys are killing me. No. Oh, headshot. So this is the training mode. As you can see, I'm not going to end this. I will play this till 1 hour. Let's do this. We are pro, guys. You are also a pro. If you will practice some more, you will be also a pro. Headshot. I was killing this guy with headshot. Let's go over here. Oh no. This guy na kill me all the time. Shit. I missed both the shots. No. Shit, she killed me one more time. Good one. He killed me. She killed me, sorry. Both the sides they were killing me, but she killed me with the headshot of a shotgun. No. This guy killed me again. No, she headshot me. I give her some time, so she headshot me. Who is killing me from the front? This guy. These guys are camping, so be careful. See, you can kill like this also. You are enjoying the gameplay, so please subscribe and like my channel. Please don't unlike, that was wrong spell. This guy from behind me headshot me. I killed that behind guy and someone was spawned. I killed, but the other guy killed me. Some other guy killed me from the right side, this girl that I killed right now. Someone sniped me from over there. This guy is killing. This guy is in the killing spree. These AWM guys are killing all the guys. This guy is killing with that this gun, XMB. I am going to end this episode now. So, bye. So guys, this is the end of the video. I am going to upload this video and I am going to play it at 9:55. So bye guys. See ya.